Hello, this is Ron. Today my wife will show us all how to make fried chili sauce that's better than the most popular brand,
Lao Gan Ma. This is all the ingredients here. We put the amount in the description section.
And we have beautiful red chilies.
Cleaning, cutting, drying, and
But be careful with this. Very powerful stuff. We recommend using gloves and don't touch your face or your eyes.
yeah, for sure.
Beautiful sunny day, and we set out for trying, and now we're slicing and dicing. But gloves are not enough. We need some reinforcement. All of us today have to carry around these darn masks, so came in handy today.
Beautiful color.
Got the garlic,
Onion,
onions, garlic powder,
ginger.
ginger, okay.
Oh, it's a big challenge for me to cut the onions.
Go for the gargles.
Heating the oil. This is peanut oil. You can choose other oils. Put this peppercorn in the hot oil, and then take out from the oil. Put the
We're adding the fried chilies. And we've got salt and sugar and cinnamon. That's the sesame seeds.
this is section. I will show you how to make the chili sauce colorful and more penetrant. Put the powder.
Fried chili powder.
Yeah, not fried chili powder. And this is a hot
This is
oil.
paprika, right?
Add the peanuts. This is a basic chili sauce, what I made before. And
And now you're adding on additional ingredients to it.
yeah. Another step, this step is for make the mushroom. Chili sauce with mushroom and soybean.
Yeah.
Soybean have to soak overnight and cook it. This time for cooking this soybean and mushroom.
And note this is all natural ingredients, no additives. It's all fresh and crisp.
And add the chili sauce, what I made, put together.
No, you're not getting any buster. And now we're going to do a taste test of the homemade chili
put my
sauce
sauce
at Lao Gan Ma.
into
We've got
this.
identical plastic containers. They're just labeled on the bottom, but no one can tell the difference. And testing 3 of our neighbors. We bought the Lao Gan Ma from the store.
Scientific taste test. Thank you for your
Here's our
participation.
panel.
The test panel is composed of unbiased neighbors.
You tell them which is Lao Gan Ma, which is.
No. Say one of these.
Sodium sulfite.
Sulfur dioxide, that doesn't sound good.
Sulfite?
Exactly.
Which one?
That's our point.
Monosodium glutamate is.
It's used a lot in Chinese food,
Okay.
and it's it's a preservative.
Okay.
That's what.
Well, I had one at home that was made.
This is why
By one.
homemade.
I've been using that one. This one has this one has more spice. And it has
That's
really
what I'm eating right now.
this one has very distinct flavors. Before I eat it and devour this.
Just B again. This is really good. This is much, much better.
And then
We're not ready.
okay, so
which one you prefer?
my opinion is this one is oily, but the flavors are muted. This one has more vibrant flavors,
Definitely.
and it's more spicy.
Okay. And
Okay.
do you have a preference?
I will pick that one.
Okay, so let me see what that is.
Okay, I'm
more
gonna
beef.
order.
Okay.
Can I place an order of 3 euros?
I'm trying this one right now. I really like this with the peanuts and the very, very spicy.
Oh, people love me, love me. I know the me.
Are you maybe?
Yeah.
And you see how they can see all the ingredients.
Yeah.
And it's like less than an oil than that one that it seems like all mixed.
Whoa, so happy then.
And we're gonna need more beef. Also.